Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Taletiya. So guys, in this video we are going to make program of Armstrong number. In this program and video we can find that the given number is Armstrong number or not. So guys, there is some logic and concept behind the Armstrong number. So let's first discuss what is the concept behind the Armstrong number. Let's assume we have a number 564. So we need to check the given number is Armstrong or not. So what we need to do here, we need to calculate the each character of this integer cube. Here we need to calculate the cube of each character of integer in the given number. So let's first we can calculate the cube of each character, like 4 into 4 into 4. Here we can got the cube of 4. So cube of 4 is equal to 64. So next we have 6 into 6 into 6. Its cube is 216. Let's see, we have only 5, then 5 into 5 into 5. Here its cube is 125. And what the answer of each character cube, we need to sum of this answer and cube of each character. Let's 64 plus 216 plus 125. So here the answer of this summation is going to be equal to this number. So if this number are not equal, then it is not an Armstrong number. So let's calculate this equation. Its answer is 405. So here this number is not Armstrong number because this answer and this is not same. So we have seen that how to calculate and logic of Armstrong number. Let's take some number that is Armstrong. We can take 371. 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 7 cube is 343 and 3 cube is 7. Let's add this answer of all the character cube. The answer will be 371. Here 371 and this inputted number 371 are equal. Then we can say that this number is an Armstrong number. I am hope that you are understand what I am going to say. Let's do the coding of this logic and Armstrong number in C. So here I am all the program, C language program I am retaining in a VS Code. I am going to open the folder. My folder is tutorial C. Let's create one file, armstrong.c. So let's start the code. Include stdio.h var integer main. We need to declare some variable here, but I am not going to declare all the variable because you getting in trouble. If I am going to declare all the variable here, so you cannot easily understand why the variable, which variable and what is the use of specific variable. So here I am taking only one variable, that's name is num. So here we can take input from the user in num variable. So taking input, printf, enter value. So input going, user can be inputting some value here, scanf. For this here going to, it is creating some error because some issue with my editor. So forget this. So here we have taken input from the user. So guys, I have written all the code here for our program. Let's first check the code, it is correct or not. So we have discussed about the value of 564. So guys, I have earlier said that the 564 is not an Armstrong number. Let's take one more number that is we have discussed earlier. It is that is a 371. So 371. So guys, it is an Armstrong number. Let's take one more number that is 153. So guys, it is also an Armstrong number. So here I am going to explain that what I am doing in this program. So here we have initialized some variable. Here we have taken input from the user. So guys, in here number, here I am storing a number in a temp number, because I don't want to change my num variable as a data. I don't want to change my value of a num variable. So here I am storing the temp num, because here I need to compare it with the answer of the queue. So delete it. I am writing here. So here mode will be 0. Here mode going to be temp num. What is the temp num? Temp num is the 564. 564 percentage 10 equals to 4. So when we are doing this operation, it will be giving of us to last digit of the inputted number. So here what we have doing in cube, what is the value of mode? Value of mode is a 4. So 4 will be returning as a 4 into 4 into 4. So it will be going, it will be answer, its answer is to be 64. So here what we have temp num here 564. Okay, so we have 564 as a temp num. Then what we are going to do, we are dividing temp num as a 564 with 10. So when we are doing 564 divided by 10, then its answer will be 54. Sorry, 56. Here 4 will be removed from this 564. I am also give you some demo in calculator. So if I am 564 divided by 10, then the after the float, after the decimal, it cannot be taking as a, because we have declare it as a integer. So it can be taking only 56. It can ignore and not taking after point value. So here we have 56. So guys, 56 here we have, and what it is doing, it is answer, we have answer is equal to 0. 0 equal to, what is the answer, 0 plus what is the cube value, cube is 64. What will be the answer after this? 64. Okay, this is the our first condition. Here we have here we have 64. Temp num is a 56. So temp num is not equal to 0. So loop will not terminating here. It executing one again. And what is the mode here? 0. Okay. What is the value of mode? 0. Okay. What is the value of mode equal to 0? What is the value of temp num? Temp num video is a 56. Okay guys. Here we are going to taking modulus of it from 10. It will be giving us as a 6. So, or what will be the cube equal to 6 into 6 into 6. Answer will be 216. Okay, then what we have done here? Here what is the temp? Is it temp is the temp. What is the value of temp? Value of temp is a 56. We are removing 6 from this 56. So when we are dividing it from 10, it going to be 5 only, because 6 will be removed from this 56. So what is the next answer is? Here answer is equal to what? Here we have answer 64. Then 64 plus what is the value of cube? Cube value is 216. Okay, the value, and we are coming here while loop. So what is the value of temp num? Temp num is equal to 5. What will be the temp num? 5 is not equal to 0. Then this loop is once again repeating. Here mode will be initializing by 0. Then mode also, here we have going to remove 5 from it. Then taking here we have we are taking prime 5. Here no value here. Here we am going to, here we are taking 5 as a mode, and cube is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. Then temp is equal to, what is the temp num? Temp num is 5. Then 5 divided by 10, it will be 0. Okay guys, here temp num equal to 0. So what is the answer? Answer is a 260. Answer will be 216. Okay, plus what is the value of cube? We have done here that we have 5 into 5 into 5 equals to 125. So what is the value of 125? So cube value is a 125 in this loop. 125. What is the answer is 421. Okay, so here we have temp num is equal to 0. So 0 not equal to 0, it's false. Then this while loop is not going to run once again, it is going outside and checking here that num, what is the num we have? 564. So 564 equals to answer. So what is the answer we have? Answer is equal to 421. Is 564 equals to 421? It is not. Then it will be going to be in this loop. It is not an Armstrong number. If I have taking 153 here, then all this while loop will be executed and answer will become a 153. Then 153 num equals to answer. So this condition will be true. Then it is going to print it is an Armstrong number. Here I am not explaining with the 153 number. I have explaining it with the 564. So you can do it with yourself and use pen or paper and do practice with the 153 number and get sample calculation in your pen or notebook. I hope you are understand this video, or if you are like this video then hit like button. If you are new to my channel then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and share this video with your friends. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Bye.